Will be coming out with their numbers later today. Ekta standing by. She's going to give us all the expectations. Ekta?
Well, for DCB, if you look at it on a holistic perspective over a couple of years, it's been a very strong turnaround story. At one point in time, that stock was making, that company was making losses, but over a period of time, they consolidated their loan book. They managed to reduce gross NPLs and sustain them as well. So it has been quite a strong turnaround story, and it's really been reaping the benefits in the past couple of years. And even in this year, if you look at it on a year-to-date basis, the stock is up around 13% versus the Bank Nifty. If you compare it to the Bank Nifty, which is underperformed and is down around 5% year-to-date. Now, in terms of an estimate, we only have the Kotak estimates with us with regards to the NII as well as profit figure. So for this quarter, we're expecting an NII growth of around 24%, or Kotak is rather estimating a growth of around 24% with a profit growth of around 19.7% to around 50 odd crores in terms of profits. Now, in terms of other key factors to watch out for DCB would be the gross NPLs. As of Q1 FY16, the gross NPL was up 20 basis points to close to around 2%, with slippages coming in totally at around 57 crores, out of which around 10 crores was from the corporate segment, and they had gold loan slippages as well, which took place. But there is an expectation that there were recoveries that took place significantly enough for them in order to possibly, which will possibly curtail gross NPLs or show in this quarter as well. In terms of net interest margins, it stood at 3.81% in Q1 FY16. The range is expected to be 3.6 to 3.8% for the entire fiscal. So we expect them to range with between that 20 basis points gap. And net advances for the company has been strong in the past couple of quarters. It is a largely retail-focused book with mortgages around 40% of their total portfolio, and that is expected to lead from the front. And for example, the net advances were up around 26% last quarter, and it is expected to continue that momentum this time round as well.
Thanks, Ekta, for running us through that. Keep your eye on AB.